Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Veges! Happy birthday!
Hi, Jess. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jess, and congratulations in advance. Wishing you more projects in the future, our future architect. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng mga 1,000 years and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, baby Jess. Mahal ka namin palagi. I love you. I miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Ate Jess. Happiest birthday to you, to our mother of all, Reverend Scalisi. I hope that you'll have a blast on your special day. I wish you all the best. I wish that all your wishes will come true. I wish that you pass your licensure exam. I wish you a good life, a good love life, a successful career, a good health. And I wish that you'll find your bliss someday. And always remember that I love you. So always take care, because I want you to take good care of yourself, and I'm always here for you, okay? So just one beep from you, I'll be there. See, I love you. Bye, happy birthday again.
Hi, Ate Jess. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you always. And wish ko sa'yo good health. And sana lahat ng pangarap mo, lalo na yung pag-aarke mo, sana ma-fulfill mo lahat. Ingat ka lagi. And thank you for always being there as my second sister. Thank you for always being supportive. Every time I need you, you're always there. Lagi mong tatandaan na ate, andito lang din ako para sa'yo. God bless you always, and sana ikip mo lang yung kung ano ka. Sana huwag kang magsasawa sa akin. Thank you so much. I love you. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Sorry, late na yung video clip ko, and dito na ako kumapit sa TikTok kasi for the filter yung person, kasi nga mukha tayong zombie. But I wish you a happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for always being there for me in times na kailangan kitang kausap or may gustong ikwento sa inyo ni Ate Shay. Andyan kayo lagi for me. Tagal-tagal na natin nakakilala. I'm thankful na nakilala ko kayo. Ikaw, syempre, thank you so much kasi nakilala kita. Dahil sa'yo, na-share ko yung talent ko. And, I'm so happy na until now, andito pa rin tayo. Friends pa rin tayo, magkasama pa rin tayo sa live. And, I'm thankful dahil never kang nagbago, never nagbago yung trato mo sa akin, sa amin. And we love you, Mami. Thank you for everything. Hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you and God bless you always. More blessings for you. And congratulations, architect. Wow, ang ganda mo pakinggan, Mami. Ayun. God bless you always. I love you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Bebe Jess. So, birthdays to come and congratulations. Malapit ka na graduate sa kinder. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging successful ka pang architect. Sobrang humahanga ako sa galing mo. Siyempre, crush kita. So, ayun lang. Ingat ka palagi. And miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bebe Jesso! Mama, congratulations sa thesis!
Happy birthday, Bebe Kumahal! Happy birthday! Thank you for being there for me. Hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Kahit sa pinaka-lowest moment ng buhay ko. Lagi ka nandyan. Hindi mo ako bigitaw. Thank you. Thank you. Happy ako kasi konti na lang. Maabot mo na yung pangarap. Enjoy your day and see you soon. See you very soon. Architect namin lahat. Love ka namin. Huwag nang mainis ha. Huwag nang mainis. Ayoko makaltokan taste lang. Love ka namin and happy birthday, baby. See you soon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mars Beb. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ilang taon ka na ba? Well, anyway, gusto ko lang na maging happy ka sa araw ng kaarawan mo. Siyempre, araw-araw dapat lagi kang masaya. Ayoko nakikita kang malungkot, stress sa buhay. Alam ko ang daming pinagdadaanan, kahit ang bata-bata pa. Tapos, enjoyin mo lang yung buhay mo. Huwag ka mag-isip ng kahit kung ano-ano. At saka, sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yung goal mo, dapat goal lang. Saka, isipin mo yung health mo, kumain ka ng marami, kasi ang payat-payat mo, sana tumaba ka na. Yan, isa sa wish ko. Saka, good health din sa family mo, sa loved ones mo, yan, sa mga closest friends mo, good health sa kanila. At saka, I wish na magkakaroon ka na ng love life, ng magtatagal for forever mo na talaga, yan. Basta, stay happy, okay? Stay humble. I know you are, and God bless you and your family. Andito na ako, di ba? Love you, and I miss you. Bye.